All right. Well, I'm got my camera set just less than 7 inches above the water. I think about 6 inches. I'm on Wampum Lake in Washington State. We're looking 9 miles at Vantage Bridge. Vantage Bridge, where the I-90, Interstate 90, crosses the Wampum Lake, and Wampum Lake is also part of the Columbia River. So I'm a little farther than 9 miles from this bridge, and I'm less than 7 inches. Center of the camera lens is less than 7 inches above the water. It's about 11, maybe 11:15 a.m. August 11th, 2019. We do have some heat waves starting to set in, but we're not seeing a mirror effect like we see earlier in the morning for whatever reason. Earlier in the morning, you can't see maybe the bottom 30 or 40 feet worth of the bridge there, and then the next 30 or 40 feet is kind of mirrored, or the rest of the bridge is kind of mirrored down. So I have to wait for that optical thing to go away, and then you can kind of see clearly for a while, just a little while, and then heat waves set in. So it was a little bit clearer earlier for a little while, but now the heat waves are setting in, but at least it's not doing the mirroring effect. So that's 9 miles. I think I measured it on Google Maps at 9.06, 9.07, around there, miles. We got the Nikon Coolpix P900 camera. It's got 83 optical zoom, and either twice as much for when you go digital zoom, or maybe 4 times as much, but you're just spreading out the pixels. So this right now is full digital zoom right now. Some boat's gonna make some ripples. I might have to move. There's these guys. So here's just the 83 optical zoom, and then from here it just spreads out the pixels. Yeah, if this boat over here makes some waves, I'm gonna have to move. We would have Vantage, Washington is just off to the right, behind these rocks there, behind that hillside. Those guys really aren't that far away. Well, I don't know, a mile or two. Hard to tell. I guess they are a little ways away. shaking the camera around a bit. I'm kind of holding on to it with my hands, and yeah. I was hoping to see this sometime today. This morning I was hoping to see a boat go behind one of the bridge pillars, because then we'd know it's at least 9 miles away. But I'm not seeing that on this little 3-inch screen. Sometimes you end up seeing more when I look at it on the laptop. But on this little screen, I'm not seeing any boats way back there. Oops. Alright, well, once again we are less than 7 inches. Center of the camera lens is less than 7 inches above the water. We're looking 9 miles at Vantage Bridge. Apologize for the shaking of the camera. Alright. Zoom back out. And then I'll pick up the camera and show my location. So we're here at Sunland Estates over there. There's the boat launch right there. So I'm pretty close to that. Out here in the water a little ways. And we got the bridge back down that way. It's around 11:15 or 11:30 a.m. August 11th, 2019.